Hi guys, hey, I'm not going to the beach this time. You can see it's getting kind of dark out. Safety first. I will walk you down to Mandalay Avenue though, and let's see what's going on down there. The wind's still picking up even more. It's raining about the same. Let's go take a look. Again, I'll be in the wind, may not be able to hear me that well. And you can see it's getting dark now. It's 8 o'clock. This is the pathway from Bell Harbor going down to Mandalay Avenue. You can see the trees are blowing pretty good, but this is kind of too kind of a bottleneck for wind. So it kind of blows in here anyways, a little stronger than normal. So you're gonna kind of see that, but not to say it. I mean, the winds are blowing. It's getting up there to a hurricane kind of a thing, but still tropical. I thought I'd go over and check out the office and see how our protection is for the doors and windows. Make sure we're still secure. I'll take you guys down to see that. Oh, by the way, yeah, perfectly safe. I mean, we're just looking at wind right now. I'm not going down to the water. You can see there's no flooding or anything like that. It's raining. It's windy. The surge, to see, we won't see anything like flooding or anything until after midnight, I would say. And it's not like that we have pushed around or anything, but it's a windy day, windy rain. There's our office. You can see my barricade's holding up pretty good. There's no broken windows, so we're looking good. That's the pathway to go down to the beach that I was taking before, but we'll go another way. I'll take you down. We'll look at Mandalay a little bit here. You can see there's some water coming down the street, but that's normal rain. When rain starts, this happens once a week right now because of the rain. You know, it's our rainy season, of course. But you can see right now it's just a rainy night, rainy day so far. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot more to come, and I'll keep you posted on that. Let you know what it looks like. As time goes by, you can see the beach is closed. I mean, there's nothing on. We still have lights, which is nice. We did see a flicker earlier, where the power just flickered once. Kind of normal in a rainstorm. Like I said, more to come. We'll see what happens. The storm is starting to die down. It's like they're saying down in Naples, it's a Category 2, which is, and that's not bad. We can live with a Category 2, Category 3 or 4, and then we a little more worried. Don't want to see that. But a Category 2, we can deal with that. I think it's not such a big deal. You can see the flag. Here's flapping in the wind pretty good. But anyways, I'll see you guys in an hour. We'll do another update. I'll probably do that one from the balcony. It's easier. I don't have to walk 11 stories of stairs to go back up. I hope you guys appreciate that. We can see a little bit from there. If I have to, I'll come down and show you what's going on down here as well, to give you a good report. But no damage that I can see yet. Wind's blowing good, but everything's holding together quite well. It doesn't look bad. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Have a good evening.